So today I wanted to talk about UPS batteries. I actually have a video which I will link below for the replacement of the UPS battery on this APC Smart 750. And the batteries I originally replaced it with were lead acid batteries. These are 24 volts, 7 ampere hours with these connectors. They're actually 12 volts each. And I installed them about 2 years ago, and the UPS started to beep and tell me the battery was not working very well. So I decided I would replace them. So a replacement is about $35–40 from Amazon, and I decided instead to go with lithium iron phosphate batteries. This is a Chinese brand, not familiar with it, but I'll show you the voltages seem to test out okay. And just want to talk about the benefits of having a lithium iron phosphate battery. They cycle a lot longer than lead acid batteries, so I'm hoping to get a sort of 2 years lifespan, maybe 4 or 5. They are lighter, so the unit, after I install it in the unit, it's going to be lighter to hold. And it typically has a longer discharge cycle, so it holds the voltage a bit longer. So I probably should get a longer lifespan out of a longer run time when the power is gone. So if there's any power interruption, my equipment will run a bit longer. That's what I'm hoping. So this is the box that it came with. Right, the brand is Nermac, and I purchased it on Amazon for $60, and it was shipped UPS ground. Right, it's good for UPSs, solar and wind power, golf cart, electric vehicle, and lighting. So it came well packaged in these pouches, these little pouches. All right, and so next I'm going to do a weight test. Let's put my... Okay, so I'm going to pick these up. You can see it's 8 pounds 13 ounces with the connectors on it. Now I'm going to put, it's 4 pounds 2.5 ounces, so more than 50%. It weighs more than 50% less than lead acid batteries. All right, the unit also came with a small manual. It says built-in automatic prevention for overcharge, maintenance free, internal cell balancing, so I would imagine it has a BMS in it, a battery management system. Can be charged using most standard lead acid chargers. So that's what I want to do, right? It runs for thousands of cycles, 100% depth of discharge. Right, let me show you the voltages that it came with. So I'm going to put this, make sure it's on DC, which it is. So my lead acid batteries are showing 12.92. Right, and these are showing 13.2. Come on, 13.20. And this one, let me show you the other one. This also should be showing the same. 13.28. So it's pretty close, I would say. Hopefully the BMS balances it. And 13.28. Okay, they both are at the same voltage. So I'm going to swap the cables over and connect it up to push it in. And these wires need to connect on the inside of this unit. And that should be it. So I'll put a link or a little description down below, let you know how it's running, or a comment after I have it all connected. Any questions, let me know. Thanks.